F&F Hydroponics is a Puerto Rican company dedicated to growing high-quality hydroponic greens within the best agricultural and food safety practices. Since its beginning in 2013, it developed greenhouses with proprietary procedures, detailed quality controls, and an exclusive design of canals. It's the first hydroponic company in Puerto Rico to be certified by the United States Department of Agriculture in harmonized good agricultural practices and good handling practices. Committed to food safety and innovation, the company constantly researches seeds that best suit our island's climate. Thanks to the demand for its Lettufresh branded lettuces, F&F Hydroponics continues to expand its production capacity, producing romaine lettuce and Salanova, of which they have exclusivity in the market. It delivers fresh and healthy local products to supermarkets and restaurants by reducing the delivery time to a maximum of 3 days from harvest versus the more than 10 days that imported lettuce requires. F&F Hydroponics wants to substitute imports of lettuce in Puerto Rico and expand to the United States. F&F Hydroponics, a professional and innovative Puerto Rican company producing high-quality greens.